I want to do in this video is show you how to create content throughout the duration of the sales funnel. So what we do is we're going to take off from yesterday where we created personas, and we will be using the personas in this content. So let's look at the mindset of the end user first of all. And the mindset changes throughout the journey. So initially they are in the market. So that, say we're selling mountain bikes, they will own a mountain bike. They are not looking at buying another mountain bike. Then all of a sudden they realise, right, I need to buy a new mountain bike. So they start researching it. And this is when they have what is called commercial intent. And they'll be researching stuff like top 10 mountain bikes of this year, whatever. And they're researching which one they want to buy. The moment they decide on what one they want to buy, they then have transactional intent and they will start researching for offers to buy. Okay, and what we want to do is we only want to target people with commercial or transactional intent. Right, so we understand intent. Now let's look at the actual journey. What we do first of all to attract the person is we send out problem-based content. Basically sitting there saying, do you have this problem? So I'm going to do this actually for the spin studio, like how we looked at the spin yesterday. So we will basically sit there, we could have a webinar, do you have this problem? Opt into the webinar, we could have a short form video, whatever, with a call to action on there. Then after we have hit them with the problem-based content, we would then have a pixel on the page, and we would then, so that we could then register to see that they have clicked on that link, and we then move over to engagement-based content. And the engagement-based content, because what we are then selling is we are then selling our method. So if you look at spin is a method that will deliver weight loss. It is a method that will deliver cardiovascular health. And the engagement content has to be like this. We sit there and say, this is the result plus method. So we would target people, we would sit there and say, here is how we got this result for a person who is like you. So say we are doing spin, we can sit there and say, this is how this lady lost weight who looks exactly like you, using spin. We then have closed content, and that will be actually an offer, a limited time sale. It could be, we could be getting them to jump on a call. But this is how it changes, and that is the content journey. So let's actually have a look at the spin studio. One of our sales funnels could be, do you want to lose weight? Right, and that will be our attraction content in some way. We would have something up, we could have like a little short form video, whatever. But then the moment they click on the link, we would then start up an engagement campaign. And the engagement campaign is trying to support the sales process, because if you think about it, they could be looking at a number of ways on how to lose weight. So we then want to show that our method generates the results they want. So we sit there and say, here is how we got this lady to lose 10 kilos in 3 months. And we will start pushing the result plus method based content. So say it was for the other persona on there, which was cardiovascular health, we would have an attraction content. Do you want to improve your cardio health? And we would then have, after they click on the link, it would then switch over to an engagement campaign. Here is how we got this 50-year-old to have the heart of a 21-year-old. And we would then have the offer on there, which could be a subscription-based offer or a 90-day package. And that is how you create content for social media. And you'll get another lesson tomorrow. But yeah, thank you very much for that.